So if it's coming down to Port Canaveral, and in the distance you can just see the Disney Dream somewhere behind these trees. We have arrived in Port Canaveral, and there she is, the Disney Dream. Start our next part of our holiday. So as mentioned, we're here at Port Canaveral. We got here very early with our Miz taxi transportation. What they've done, they've told us to go to level 3 of this parking garage and wait for the porters to come and get our luggage, and we can get checked on a little bit earlier. So yeah, looking forward to it. But wow, I've always wanted to go on one of these, and now we're here. Can't believe it. Absolutely can't believe it. We're here. I can't believe we're actually in the Disney Cruise Port Canaveral terminal, and we're so excited. And I just got to show you around. We just checked in. We've got all our paperwork and stuff. We're boarding group number 4, so we've got to wait to the screen say number 4. But let's have a little look. I can't tell you how excited we've been just to be in this room alone. But yeah, so that's where you check in over there. And that's where we're going to walk in through over there. And that's the magic, not actually the ship that we're going on, but pretty cool. So yeah. So we went through security just over there, came up the stairs, and now we're in this room, and we can't wait. Of course there's a DVC sales point there. But yeah, so we're just waiting. Cool, can't wait. I'm about to go into the viewing deck. This is where the concierge check-in is as well, if you're lucky enough to be concierge. Is it open? It is. Wow. I can't believe we're actually doing this. I can't tell you guys how much we've always wanted to do a Disney cruise, and in fact we're doing it now. There's still people coming off the ship as we speak. Wow. This will be the best time ever. I can't wait. This is the thing I'm looking forward to the most. Also, well, I've got a second alone away from Kelly. Got a bit of a surprise to do for Kelly on this ship. So please keep watching our vlogs, because you're going to be seeing a surprise, which hopefully it all goes well. And yeah, it's a pretty exciting one. So we're in the queue waiting to meet Mickey Mouse in front of the ship, but we've got a navigator. And you know what, watching everybody's videos and looking on Twitter and everything, to actually hold one of these now and actually look and see what we can be doing on this ship is just so exciting. We're finally going on the boat. Well, my G7X has just stopped working, so I've switched over to my Huawei, so apologies if the picture quality isn't the greatest and the sounds, but yeah, we're finally going on. What are we going to call ourselves?
The Dingwoods.
Are we actually going Dingwoods? Oh my god.
This doesn't seem real.
It doesn't, does it? We've been so excited for this moment for ages.
We're actually going to do Dingwoods. Let's do Dingwoods.
Go on then. So Dingwoods is a mixture of mine and Kelly's last names, so clear that up.
Dingwood. Disney Dream, please welcome aboard the Dingwood family.
Guys, thank you. And here we are. Oh my god, I can't believe we are actually here. This is amazing.
Please welcome aboard the Hartley family.
We're actually on the ship. I'm so happy right now. So here we go, so we're walking over to Cabanas, which is this way for lunch. We've just been chatting to Elle and our Dreaming, they're on the same boat as us, aren't they? So, but yeah, can't believe G7X, literally, I've been waiting for ages to take this shot of us walking under the ears to get on the thing, and as soon as I do it, bang, not working anymore. Battery's full, just kept crashing. Oh, but look at the splash pool. So cool. There we go. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm actually here. I literally cannot believe it. And here we go, cabanas. So my first cabanas lunch. So we've got some veg, lamb chop, pizza, bits of chicken, chips and pizza. And Kelly will be back shortly in a bit, but it's amazing here. Can't believe we're actually here. So back to the G7X now. It was just a memory card fault for some reason, so typical, it happened in the one bit we were looking forward to filming. But anyway, so here's Kelly's first cabanas lunch. What you got there?
Goat cheese pasta, broccoli, cauliflower, chicken, crispy onions, chips, steak and green beans.
Lovely, and obviously you've just seen mine already, but halfway through that. But it's got a lovely view, and this is like a dream come true. Like, I'm so happy.
Amazing.
So happy. I can't tell you how much of a dream this actually is to be on a Disney cruise line. Wait so long to go on here. Me and Kelps had the most amazing first lunch in cabanas, which is incredible. So we're just walking around now, just getting the grips of the ship, and yeah, it's a great time. And I can't wait because all these adventures ahead are going to be epic. Really can't wait. So it's our first look at the adults area. Okay, alright, I had a little peek when Kelly was in the loo. It's amazing. There's the hot tub that overlooks the boat, the pool. So surreal being here. So yeah, it's incredible. I'm going to be here for a long time, I think. A long time. I could get used to this. I really could. Down in the kids club tour, we just did the adult tour, which was pretty cool. But I think the kids club's a little bit cooler. This is Andy's room. I love the wallpaper. Big walkie-talkie. So cool, isn't it? And this is the Star Wars section, which I wish we could go in.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys here at Disney's Ocean Air Club. I hope we're all doing great today. My name is Sam, I'm part of your Youth X17 here with Youth Activities. And today I'm going to be doing a bit of a tour of the spaces. So if you would like to learn a little bit about what we've got going on across your entire voyage with us, then come on down to the play floor.
So we're here, our room 10162 at the aft of the ship.
Oh,
it's the first time we're going in it.
Oh, beautiful!
Oh wow!
Oh.
And this is us.
Oh, there's our spa pass.
I've got a spa pass, which is great.
Yay. Oh wow!
This is amazing.
Oh my god! These things around in the place like to stay in air conditioning.
How cool this is, this artwork.
Oh, this is amazing! How do we open the door?
You always struggle to open doors. You alright? Right, lock. Unlock. Lock. So is that unlocked?
Yeah.
Right, let's figure out. So I set out to unlock the door, and here we are. This is our
Oh my god!
private veranda.
Oh my god, this is amazing!
We can't wait to be sailing out here.
Oh god, it's a bit nerve-wracking standing here, isn't it?
How cool is this?
This is amazing!
Love you loads.
Love you. This is so cool.
Ooh.
Oh wow.
And just quickly, before we start getting our luggage and making the room messy, let's just do a full tour. So, storage, cupboard, coat hangers, pretty cool. Let me put the key in as well. Put the key in, air conditioning controls there. Put the key in here.
In the bathroom yet.
There you go. So now we've got lights. There we go. So a little.
Oh my god, the bath is so cute.
So here's the toilet and sink. Little bar of soap there as well, which is always nice. And then that's Kelly. It's just
The bath is super cute.
gone into our tiny little bathroom with our tiny little bathtub.
Bit cheap. Oh, how lovely is this?
We've got some washing
And
amenities.
then look. Oh, this is so nice. And then you've got a big mirror on the back here as well.
Lovely. Ice
Definitely gonna put
bucket.
that there.
Got some drawers.
Oh, I've got a life jackets in there.
Little TV. What's in there?
Oh,
Oh, we have got a little fridge as well.
really?
Yeah, that's cool. Okay. More cupboards. So yeah, and the cool thing is our luggage is actually here now as well. And what's the time? It's only
5 to 3.
5 to 3 and our luggage is here. So that's perfect. So we're gonna make ourselves at home quite literally. And yeah, we'll come back to you with some more fun activities. But I love it. Do you love it?
It's amazing, yeah.
It's a dream come true.
It's so cool.
Look at this artwork as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, the time is now. It's time to go sailing away.
Woo!
Hello, Disney Dream. I said, hello, Disney Dream. I'm Joey, one of your entertaining crew staff, or as I like to say, your Disney Dream host.
Seriously? Hey everybody, my name's Lorena and I have one question for all of you. Who out there is on their very first Disney cruise?
Oh yeah, and who else
Hey,
has
Kel,
sailed
that's
with
us.
Before? Castaway Club, make some noise! Oh, now that's what I'm talking about.
Well, whether this is your first cruise or your 50th, you can expect
Great shopping, amazing adventure, and fabulous food!
Right. Well, now it's time to kick your vacation into high gear with all your Disney friends.
Hey, Tinkerbell, let's go spread some pixie magic and go sailing away! So it's time to welcome some of your favorite Disney friends. Here's a little lady with a big itinerary, Minnie Mouse!
Here are a couple of crazy guys who are always up to have some fun. Chip and Dale.
Now here's a gal with a real flair for fashion, Daisy Duck!
Oh, we could never forget about you, Donald.
Don't forget about us either.
It's Goofy and Pluto.
What's up, dogs? Now last, but certainly not least, Mickey Mouse! Come on, everybody, let's sail away! Let's go!
Musical, spectacular entertainment, and
Is it time for my big number?
well, now's as good a time as any. Here's a guy who knows a thing or two about entertainment. Let's hear it for Goofy.
Okay, girls, hit it. Speed forward now. Hands. That's the dream of moment. See?
That's what I call rocking the boat!
I think you mean ship.
Oh, right! Well, as you can see, the fun has just begun!
Oh, the time is now. Let your Disney dream begin.
officially on the move. Woo! We're actually moving. As we pass this, what I could presume is a military ship, look in distance, and we're going to see how good the zoom is on this camera. Slowly but surely, that's the Kennedy Space Center. BAB building, wow. It's the first time I've zoomed the camera this far. It's pretty impressive, but yeah, there's NASA. This is pretty cool. Kelly's highlighted the trip already. Going Vanellope's. Ooh, air conditioning. The Vanellope there. How cool is this? Literally, we have only been on this boat for a few hours and it's already showing the ship.
Incredible.
It's been amazing.
So cool.
Got some ice creams. Chocolate root beer gelato, that sounds interesting. Chocolate covered straw, yeah, that's a bit of me. Rocky Road, yeah, I think I'm going to be visiting this. Oreo cookies and cream. Have you seen some of these? Wow, that's what you can get served in. That's pretty cool.
That's amazing.
Look, chocolate covered strawberries gelato.
Candy explosion. We have to come down early because the shop opens at 4:46.
Right, let's go get. Right, let's go get ready. Kelly wants to do some shopping. She's breaking the shop already. We have barely been in there. Right, I'm coming back for you, ice cream. We're coming back for you. Oh my god, look at the little donut. Right, you said we got to hurry up, so. So yeah, we'll be back. Oh my god, there's cakes. Right, okay, we're going to be spending lots of time, lots of money, and lots of calorie allowance. In there, yes. We bought our cups from our Disney dining voucher and we're just filling them up here, which is handy, so yeah. So the shops are literally just open and Kel's running because she see the Spirit jersey that she wants and she's not going to let it go.
Oh, we've got loads of large as well.
There it is. Show us the back. Kelly, as soon as Kelly saw it, she's like, I want that. And sprinted to it.
That's the one I'm going to get.
Right, we're going to take our time. We're not going to get all our stuff, but we want to get the most important bits because we've heard that some people have been on Disney cruise and weren't able to get exactly what they want. That's a cool one as well because it all sold out. So we're trying to do our main shopping straight away, the things we definitely want straight away.
I love it.
Oh, poke yourself in the eye. She loved it that much. Got some hanging rods. Get one each of me and Kelly. Kel, which hanging rod do you want? I'm going to get the black one. They've got this one here. Life is better at sea.
I like the light blue one. How much are they?
Don't know. Probably a lot. They're always a lot.
I reckon $12.99. $12.99.
Good guess. Do you want one?
Yeah.
Go on, you.
Are we both getting the same? Oh, no.
I'm getting the black one.
Oh.
Or navy blue one, shall I say.
I can't believe I got this Spirit jersey.
Hello, good afternoon. It's quite cool, look.
Look at them ears. I haven't seen these ones before.
I like these ones to the side bow. Have you seen the side ones?
They're cool. Are they cute?
They are cute. They're really nice. Get them if you want them, just in case they sell out.
They are cute. These are probably my favourite minions.
Get them now.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. I wasn't going to get anything.
This is all cool. I don't know what it is, but it looks epic. This is really cool because this is Disney merch me and Kel have never really been able to touch before, which it gets a little bit samey once you keep going to Disney parks, the same kind of merch, but We've never been on a cruise before, so this is all new to us. What is it? I'm looking at it. Is it a picture frame? Is it just an ornament? I don't really know, but I kind of like it. Right, as I said, if you know us, we always collect our Christmas decorations, and we're nerding out now. We're nerding out on all these Disney Cruise Line ones. Look at the one with Mickey on top.
Oh my God, this is awesome.
We're definitely going to be picking up a few. I've picked up one now, but we're going to buy now. We don't want to buy everything now because we want to come back at some stage. That one's actually got the, if it focuses, this one's actually got Disney Dream on it.
Hasn't got Dream, is it?
But the ones in the bottle that I've got in my hand hasn't got Dream on, so I'm kind of thinking getting the one that has Dream on.
Yeah, okay. But the one in the bottle is super cool.
Let's just get the one in the bottle. We've wandered into another shop. I've just picked myself up a little something. Little Disney Cruise Line's long sleeve t-shirt. But yeah, it's going to be a very dangerous experience. Bear in mind our suitcases are actually broken. Oh my God, look at this. And this is absolutely killing me because I love this kind of suitcase. $200. Not actually the worst price I've seen. You see Disney Cruise Line rope? Oh, that is cool.
And then I'll buy a pouch.
I really like these as well. Helly Hansen Disney Cruise Line coats. How cool are they? There's a navy one around here as well. Have you seen these coats? Helly Hansen Disney Cruise Line. There's a navy one here as well.
And have a look at it. There's a mirror right over here. Yeah, that's good.
$175, so I'll have a think about that. I'll have a think. Yeah. That is cool. I quite like this one here with the Mickey on the front.
I like this jumper, look. I think this jumper.
Oh, the hoodie.
Yeah, that is fun.
It's very cool. Sorry. Everything's so cool. Right, we've got to hurry up because we're actually wanting to go into our show in a minute. It's Golden Mickey's tonight, and it's probably the one show that we really want to see. And that's at 6:15. Yeah. Yeah. They said you can walk from one shop to another without paying, which is throwing us off a little bit. It's more designer gear. For 3 small shops, they've got so many cool things. Like, look at this one over here. This t-shirt looks really cool. It's a Disney Dream t-shirt, and it's got the 3 destinations you go to on it.
That top one up there.
That's really cool.
You can feel the boat rocking a little bit, can't you?
I like it though.
Slightly.
I reckon I'm going to sleep well with the boat rocking. Me on the Disney cruise with Pocahontas. You got the retro design, which is going like mad in Disney World at the moment.
This one is amazing. I love that one. Yes.
And you got the classic Disney cruise.
So good.
Kelly, I think we'll end up buying a robe at some stage. She likes our robes. So we're just about to watch the Golden Mickey's. Got to put you away, but just sorry, we've done loads of shopping. I look forward to the show. So yeah, really, really excited for this. Oh look, yeah, Mr. Fredrickson's just getting a seat at the front. So yeah, I've got to put you away now, but this is so cool. Hey Pluto, how you doing? How have you been keeping? You been well? Yeah? Oh, that's good. You got a bone? Goofy hasn't got you a bone, or Mickey's not got you a bone? Oh man! You haven't left it off the boat, have you? Oh no! When we go to Nassau, we have to get you a new dog bone, yeah? Yeah, we'll do that. Oh, they got a lick for it. We're in Animator's Palette for our first dinner. So, yeah, got the screen there. We've just been given our menu. Our server's Dwight tonight. Oh, there he is. Thank you.
Don't worry, I will make the phone stream.
Oh, thank you. Thanks very much.
You don't mind if we film Dwight, do you?
Well, hey, this is your cruise, mate. Enjoy this.
Thank you very much. Oh, which one? Thank you.
Oh, that's so nice and cool. I like it.
Kelly likes Dwight. So yeah, so this is what Animator's Palette looks like. We have our table is close to the door, but we don't mind. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. We've got a screen here where we're sure some magic's going to happen.
But just so you know as well, when you assign a table, you're that table for the entire cruise, aren't you?
Yes, and the same server for the entire crew. So Dwight seems like a cool guy.
Yeah.
The other thing is what, in fact, we did. You know, it's one table for four, but it's just two of us. When we did this, we requested, or I requested, of I'll turn around to make sure, because you always forget, Kelly. Requested that it be just a table for two and see if they could do that, and they have. So that's great. So it's just us two on the tables, and yeah.
We wouldn't have minded having people.
We wouldn't have minded, no.
But it's quite nice.
It's quite, yeah. It's just for our first one, exactly. So yeah, this is what's on the menu.
We've got more room to put more food because you can
You can order more food, yeah. As much as you like from any of these.
When you leave here, it's going to be very hard not to get used to ordering however much you want.
So yeah, so really looking forward to this, and we'll show you some of the fun things that happen along the way.
Totally cruising the big old blue, and so he's doing the same. What do you say we totally hang out? If that's cool with you, say job. Excellent, dude. Whoa, dude, come on in. They said job.
Guess what it is?
Keep guessing.
No. It's a fish. Piranha. Oh. It's a piranha from South America. Oh, here we go. Check it again. Right, what is it, guys? What's it going to be? Right, what have we got? They're moving a lot. Oh.
Let's hear your guesses.
Just keep guessing. Jellyfish, yeah, Kelly's right. You got it right.
Jellyfish.
So dinner is served. So I've got the teriyaki beef.
Yeah.
Kelly's got tuna steak.
And then we bought these little. This is salami.
Halloumi.
Hello there, dudes.
Hello, dudes.
Hello. Oh, the turtle man will totally come down sub-level with you dudes. Hello.
Hello.
What are your names, dude?
Ross and Kelly.
It's Ross and Kelly, dude.
Yeah, dudes. How are you?
Whoa, excellent, dude. And Mr. Ross, Kelly, are you having a most romantic time tonight?
Simply beautiful.
Oh, dude, excellent. Wait, the Crush Man totally wants to help you out. So, Miss Kelly, can you cover all of your ears, dude?
All your ears. Cover your ears.
Okay, dude. The Crush Man wants to know, Kelly, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Cover your ears, dude. Excellent. It's okay. Okay, Mr. Ross, dude.
Yes, dude.
Do you know what the most romantic language in the world is, dude?
Oh, Welsh.
Dude, that is a close second. It's whale, dude!
Oh.
Absolutely. So, Mr. Ross, this is what I want you to say. I adore you, Kelly! Can you do that?
Yeah, dude.
Okay, dude. Get her to uncover her ears.
Uncover your ear. Oh, she's uncovered. Right, ready?
Okay. Dude, take it away.
I adore you.
wait, Ross,
Oh,
dude.
hey, dude.
This is the most romantic language in the world, dude.
I'm sorry.
You gotta stand up, bro. Everybody give it up for Ross, dude. Yeah. Oh, dude. Okay. Now, take it away, bro.
I adore you, Kelly. Is that good?
Dude, you did not tell the turtle that you could speak fluent whale, dude.
Oh, what can I say?
Excellent. Oh, Kelly, was that not the most romantic thing ever, dude? Oh, excellent, dude. Cause it's your turn now, Kelly. Get on up, dude.
Go
Oh,
on.
yeah, Kelly. Give it up for Kelly, everybody. Okay, dude. Take it away.
What?
Oh, dude, that is so heartwarming, dude. Oh,
Hey.
excellent. You dudes have been so awesome. I want you all to join my awesome club. So, if you can hear my voice, raise your right hand and repeat after the turtle dudes. I state your name.
Ross and Kelly. So, hi, Ross.
Got a couple of clownfish in here, dudes. Most excellent. Promise to be awesome
Supposed to be awesome
all the time.
all the time.
And
And
when anyone says awesome,
when anyone says awesome,
I will shout, dude.
I will shout, dude.
Awesome. Awesome. You dudes are
Dude.
totally awesome.
Dude! That was so cool. I'm not sure how much of that was in focus or not, but that was so cool. We just had chatting to Cross Rangers. So we finished off this wonderful meal at, oh my god, Animated Palette. Literally, this whole holiday I'm forgetting the names of everything I've booked. So, yeah, so I've got a cookies and cream sundae and Kelly's got the apple crumble rice pudding. I thought so. So yeah, so we've been chatting away to the servers and having a wonderful time, talking about cricket, which I don't know anything about. So yeah, tried bringing it over to football, but didn't go too well. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to tuck into these. Having a great time, great time. And that is the end of our first day on the Disney Dream, and what a magical day it's been as well. It really has fulfilled some dreams of Kelly and I to go on a Disney cruise, and yeah, it's been amazing. Animated Palette was fantastic as well, far exceeded my expectations. Great, great entertainment, great food. We've just been looking at the stars on our private balcony, and yeah, we're going to jump into bed now and look forward to whatever adventures come tomorrow. So until then, all the best, bye bye.